Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Feeling a little stuck in a kitchen rut? Same bland meals, same old prep work, and maybe even a sprinkle of frustration? Well, fear not, fellow foodies. Today, we're diving into the world of 10 unexpected kitchen gadgets that will transform your culinary experience. Think of them as little kitchen superheroes, ready to save you time, unleash your creativity, and maybe even put a smile on your face while you cook. So, grab a snack, get comfy, and let's explore these awesome tools. Number 10. Electric Spiralizer with multiple blades. Do you love the idea of healthy zucchini noodles or veggie spirals but dread the endless chopping? This electric spiralizer with multiple blades is your veggie noodle making BFF. This handy gadget takes the tedious work out of spiralizing vegetables, turning zucchini, sweet potatoes, and even carrots into long, delicious noodles in seconds. Imagine whipping up a healthy pad thai with zucchini noodles or creating a stunning veggie lasagna with colorful beet spirals. The multiple blade attachments allow you to customize the thickness and style of your noodles, making this a versatile tool for endless recipe possibilities. Electric spiralizers typically range in price from $20 to $50, depending on the brand, power, and number of blade attachments included. Number 9. Automatic milk frother with hot and cold options. Craving a luxurious latte or a creamy cappuccino, but don't want to break the bank at a coffee shop? This automatic milk frother with hot and cold options is your answer. This little device heats and froths milk to perfection, creating cafe-quality foam for all your favorite coffee drinks. The hot option delivers silky smooth foam for cappuccinos and lattes, while the cold option creates a lighter, airier foam perfect for iced coffees or frappuccinos. Simply pour in your milk, choose your desired setting, and let the frother work its magic. In no time, you'll be enjoying barista-worthy coffee creations from the comfort of your own kitchen. Automatic milk frothers typically range in price from $20 to $50, depending on the brand, size, and features like automatic shut-off or different frothing settings. Number 8. Sous Vide Precision Cooker with App Control. Have you ever heard of Sous Vide cooking? It's a fancy way of saying precision cooking in a water bath. This Sous Vide Precision Cooker with App Control allows you to achieve restaurant-quality results with minimal effort. Simply submerge your food in a pot of water, set the desired temperature on the app, and let the cooker do the rest. The cooker precisely maintains the water temperature, ensuring perfectly cooked food every single time. Imagine juicy, tender steaks, salmon that flakes beautifully, or even perfectly cooked eggs, all without any guesswork. Sous Vide precision cookers typically range in price from $100 to $300, depending on the brand, power output, and app features. Number 7. Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. Do you love the idea of healthier fried food, but hate the mess and oil splatter of a traditional deep fryer? This air fryer toaster oven combo is your multitasking kitchen hero. It combines the crispy, golden results of air frying with the versatility of a toaster oven, all in one compact appliance. Imagine air frying crispy chicken wings, perfectly roasted vegetables, or even baking delicious cookies all within the same machine. This space-saving wonder helps you ditch multiple appliances and simplifies your kitchen routine. Air fryer toaster oven combos typically range in price from $100 to $200, depending on the brand, size, and additional features like rotisserie settings or dehydrating functions. Number 6. Silicone Food Steamer Basket with Expandable Sides. Do you love the idea of healthy steamed vegetables but hate the bulky steamer baskets that take up precious cabinet space? This silicone food steamer basket with expandable sides is your space-saving solution. This collapsible basket fits neatly into most pots and pans, expanding to accommodate a variety of vegetables, seafood, or even dumplings. The silicone material is heat-resistant and easy to clean, making it a convenient and eco-friendly alternative to traditional metal steamers. Imagine steaming broccoli florets for a healthy side dish, perfectly cooked shrimp for a protein-packed salad, or fluffy steamed dumplings for a quick and satisfying meal. These silicone steamer baskets typically range in price from $10 to $20, depending on the size and brand. Number 5. Herb Scissors with Built-in Herb Stripper. Do you love the taste of fresh herbs but hate the tedious task of chopping them by hand? These herb scissors with built-in herb stripper are your time-saving saviors. These innovative scissors feature multiple sharp blades that cut herbs like parsley, basil, or cilantro into fine pieces with ease. The built-in stripper at the base of the blades easily removes the leaves from the stems, saving you even more time and effort. Imagine garnishing your dishes with fresh, fragrant herbs in seconds, or adding a touch of flavor to your soups, stews, or pasta dishes with minimal prep work. These herb scissors with strippers typically range in price from $5 to $15, making them a budget-friendly and convenient addition to your kitchen arsenal. Number 4. Electric ice cream maker with no pre-freezing. Do you crave delicious, homemade ice cream but dread the hours of churning and pre-freezing required with traditional ice cream makers? This electric ice cream maker with no pre-freezing is your game changer. This innovative appliance allows you to whip up creamy, homemade ice cream in a matter of minutes, all without the need for pre-freezing your ingredients. Simply add your favorite mix-ins like fresh fruit, chocolate chips, or nuts, and let the machine work its magic. In no time, you'll be enjoying a refreshing scoop of homemade ice cream, perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth or creating a fun dessert for the whole family. Electric ice cream makers with no pre-freezing typically range in price from $50 to $100, depending on the brand, size, and features like automatic shut-off or pre-programmed settings. Number 3. Digital kitchen scale with LCD display. Do you ever struggle with inaccurate measurements when baking, leading to frustrating results? This digital kitchen scale with LCD display is your baking BFF. This handy tool allows you to measure ingredients with precise accuracy, ensuring consistent and delicious results every time. Whether you're weighing flour for a perfect cake, measuring coffee beans for your morning brew, or portioning out ingredients for healthy meals, this scale takes the guesswork out of cooking. The digital display makes it easy to read the weight of your ingredients, and most scales offer the option to switch between different units, like grams or ounces, for added convenience. Digital kitchen scales typically range in price from $10 to $30, depending on the brand and features like tear functionality or a backlit display. Number 2. Silicone baking mats with measurement guides. Do you love baking cookies, cakes, or pastries but hate the hassle of greasing pans and scrubbing off baked-on residue? These silicone baking mats with measurement guides are your baking superheroes. These reusable mats eliminate the need for parchment paper or greasing your baking sheets. The non-stick silicone surface allows your baked goods to slide right off, making cleanup a breeze. What's even more amazing? These mats often come with printed measurement guides on the borders, making it easy to roll out dough and cut perfectly shaped cookies or pastries. Imagine whipping up a batch of perfectly proportioned cookies or creating a beautiful pie crust without any fuss. These silicone baking mats are typically dishwasher safe, making them eco-friendly and convenient for everyday baking. Silicone baking mats with measurement guides typically range in price from $10 to $20, depending on the size and brand. Number 1. Electric pressure cooker with yogurt making function. Electric pressure cookers have become a staple in many kitchens, but this electric pressure cooker with yogurt making function takes things to a whole new level. This multifunctional appliance acts as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, steamer, rice cooker, and even a yogurt maker. Imagine whipping up perfectly cooked rice in minutes, tender and flavorful pulled pork for sandwiches, or fluffy steamed vegetables, all with the touch of a button. But the real star of the show is the yogurt making function. This allows you to create delicious, homemade yogurt from scratch, perfect for breakfast parfaits, healthy snacks, or even smoothies. Electric pressure cookers with yogurt-making functions typically range in price from $50 to $100, depending on the brand, size, and features like pre-programmed settings or a browning function. So there you have it, folks. These 10 unexpected kitchen gadgets can transform your cooking experience, making it faster, easier, and most importantly, more fun. Remember, a well-equipped kitchen doesn't have to be the most expensive. Even a few of these innovative tools can add a spark of creativity and convenience to your culinary adventures. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which gadget from this list are you most excited to try? Have any unexpected kitchen heroes of your own? Leave a comment below and let's get this conversation started. And, as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun and informative kitchen content. Happy cooking!